Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, Dr. Jan, sa ating programang Ang Laging Daan ni Doc Jan. Alam niyo po mga kaibigan, we have so many viewers right now in terms of our internet TV and even YouTube channel and even sa iba't ibang account sa Facebook and even sa iba't ibang threading sa social networking. Now, our topic for today would be different, ladies and gentlemen, because our topic would be something that is very intriguing. Ano po to mga kaibigan? We would entitle the topic today as Orgasm. Wow, Doc Jan! Ano ba naman yan? Orgasm. Because once we look at it, there is a need for a certain orgasm, but this is a different orgasm in a way, ladies and gentlemen. Or what our government needs is orgasm. But the point is this, ladies and gentlemen, ano ba yung orgasmo na yan na sinasabi natin? Sa ordinaryong definition ng orgasm, we define it in a way that when a man and a woman have reached the sexual satisfaction and the peak of sexual satisfaction, they would reach orgasm. But at this point, ladies and gentlemen, the different aspects or the different definition of orgasm that we'll be having today is in a different direction. Ano po ito mga kaibigan? Because our orgasm is defined today when it comes to government and reform as, what is the meaning of orgasm? Outrage for reforms that gears around a systematic movement. And that is how Doc Jan defined orgasm in this episode. Ulitin natin, outrage for reforms that gears around a systematic movement. Now, our government needs what? This kind of an orgasm. An outrage for reforms gears around a systematic management. Because, ladies and gentlemen, what our government needs is orgasm. But the point is this, tanong niyo kayo, nakaramdam na ba kayo ng orgasm sa ating pamahalaan mula noon, nakaraang administrasyon, hanggang ngayon? Have you reached a peak of orgasm in this government? Let us pause. I'll give you 5 seconds to think. Now, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, if you would say that you have reached orgasm in this kind of government that we have right now, wag na nating ituloy, wag na kayo, patayin nyo na to, wag na kayo manood. Pero kung hindi, ipagpatuloy nyo ang panonood sa Ang Laging Daan ni Doc Jan at tutuloy natin ating diskusyon. Ngayon, ano po ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng sasabihin nating orgasmo o kakulangan ng orgasmo ang ating pamahalaan? I will give you 10 seconds to think, to look at it, why walang orgasm, walang orgasmo sa ating pamahalaan. Ulitin ko, ano ba yung orgasm? Outrage for reforms that gears towards around a systematic management. Orgasm, systematic management. Outrage for reforms, outrage para sa pagbabago. Now, think of it. I'll give you 10 seconds to think, what are the reasons why we do not reach orgasm in this government? Now, based on my research as a social scientist and an educator and as a doctor of organizational development, the point is this, ano ba ang naging problema, mga kaibigan? Ano ba ang nagkaroon ng malaking implikasyon o barrier kung bakit hindi natin makita ang orgasmong ito? I will give you 5 reasons, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start with number 5. Ano po yung panlima? Umpisa tayo sa panlima. Terorismo at insurgency. This is one thing, that is why this government cannot reach orgasm. And what is orgasm? Outrage for reforms that gears around a systematic management, which means that we have no systematic management. That is why our people, our constituents, the Filipino people, would like to reach orgasm, but they cannot experience orgasm in this government because of number 5, terrorism. Ano ba yung terorismo? Terror at ismo. May terorismo sa ating kanayunan. Gulo ng NPA, gulo ng MILF, at gulo pa sa ating mga bayan. We discussed this in detail, ladies and gentlemen, and you would research what is terrorism. I discussed this so many times in what is terrorism. Number 4, what is number 4? Wow, this is a very problem that we have in this government. Problemang napakabigat na kung saan siguro kaya hindi tayo umusad is because of number 4, political dynasty. Wow, ano ba yung political dynasty? Ilan-ilan lamang sa mga pamilya dito sa ating lipunan ang namumuno sa ating pamahalaan, lalong-lalo na sa Senado. Magkapatid, magkasawa, susunod. Siguro, magkapatid, mag-asawa, maggulang, magtiyuhin, mag-ama. Sila na lang yata ang umuupo sa Senado at even sa iba't ibang lugar sa ating pamahalaan. Sa local government, palipat-lipat ng pwesto. And that is political dynasty. That is why we cannot experience orgasm. And what is orgasm? Let's spell it, ladies and gentlemen. O-R-G-A-S-M. Outrage for reforms that gears around a systematic management. Number 3. What is number 3? Ito ang pinakamabigat na problema ng ating lipunan. That is why we could not experience orgasm. Corruption. Ano ba yung corruption sa Tagalog? Pagnanakaw. Diyos ko. Grabe ang ating pamahalaan. Grabe ang korupsyon. Gusto mong yumaman, pumasok ka sa pamahalaan. And that is a problem. We have so many corruptions in this government. Kultura na yata ang korupsyon sa ating pamahalaan. Yan ang problema. Nakakalungkot. Pero wala pang nakukulong. Wala pang napaparusahan. And that is a problem. Number 2. And what is number 2 as a problem, ladies and gentlemen? Monopoly of the oligarchs. Wow, ilang pamilya na lang bang oligarko ang namumuno sa ating lipunan? Mga apelyido na kung saan sila ang may-ari ng TV station, may-ari ng electrical provider, gas station, malls. Diyos ko, nakakalungkot. Di na natin marinig ang ibang mga apelyido na kung saan ay magkakaroon ng pagkakataon para sa kanilang mga negosyo at kinakain ng monopolya ng mga oligarko. Sila nagdidikta sa politika, sila nagdidikta sa power, and that is a problem. And let us go to the last main problem. Why we could not reach orgasm. And what is this orgasm again? I would spell it again, ladies and gentlemen. Outrage for reforms that gears around a systematic management. Orgasm. O-R-G-A-S-M. Orgasm. Bastos naman yan, Doc Jan. No, it's not bastos. Bastos ba ang mag-clamor for outrage for reforms that gears around a systematic management? We like a systematic management so that people could reach a peak of satisfaction on the kind of government service that we have. Now, the question is, can this government achieve orgasm? Or will it be forever be impotent or frigid? What is the medicine or the cure for this? Do we have impotency in this government? That is why they could not satisfy the people and the people cannot realize orgasm. That is a problem. That will be our hanging question. Friends, we will answer that. Maybe. No, I would not say maybe. We will answer that in the next episode of Ang Laging Daan ni Doc Jan. Ano ba ang laging daan sa English? The always way of Doc Jan. So within that point, ladies and gentlemen, at these aspects, people should look at orgasm. And people should realize orgasm in this government. And what is orgasm? Outrage for reforms that gears around a systematic movement. With that, thank you very much.